Hi guys, I'm Kaiwan Zhang. So today I'm going to introduce my company, which is called JunkedGG. So this is my MS333 final presentation. So let's do this. So what is JunkedGG is going to solve? The problem is there's no website for people who love esports game to watch. The number two is website source is not stable. And number three is the communication with each other. Maybe people should just stay together in one home or in one room. They can talk with each other, but they cannot talk on the website. So Junk did this. The first is try to connect all of the people who are interested in esports game and provide stable video source of the esports game. And number three is one website, and there are massive of esports game. Just as I know, I watched the Overwatch, the CS:GO, and Dota, and a lot of famous games. They are all in this website. Not only the professional esports game, and also maybe some level 2, level 3 professional games, and also the NBA 2K is in this website too. And the market valuation. Junk's goal is to create a better way to discover, watch, and participate in the best activities and content from the global esports community. With Junket, fans will never miss out on their favorite esports game, teams, and players. We are building support for all esports games that fans played and watched today. Our plan is to support more than 25 esports games on Junked. So no matter what your favorite game or scene of origin, you should feel at home. I think there is more than 25 esports games now. So the product. Junk will provide the specific schedule of the living games. You can see this. It's Overwatch, and maybe there's a lot of other games. The schedule is very clear, and people can easily find which games they should be choose and they want to look at it. And esports living games, it's just the video of the games, and also this is something like the homepage of the Junked website, and these are some major esports games which are living now, are streaming now, and yeah, this is their product. And the market adoption is the event. Try to get all of the esports games together in one website. They include a lot of games, and the partnership is all the organizers and platforms that participate in the live esports events on this website, like LPL, LOL's official professional esports game. And this is a competition, major live streaming platforms like Twitch. But Twitch is not like act like this. It's almost everybody can go streaming on Twitch, but on Junked, it's only the host of the esports event. So also the host of the esports event itself is also a competition, because people may just want to go their own website to watch it. So the competitive advantage is put all the esports live games in one place, and with a simple website design, viewers will easily know where to find their need, and smooth playback and independently of the original platform. Yeah, this is my presentation. Thank you.